name's Callie, and today I'm going to be teaching you about mode and range. So usually when you see mode and range, you see it combining with mean, median, mode, and range, but today we are just going to focus on mode and range. So mode is the value that occurs most often in a data set. So if you want to find which number is repeated the most, you're going to find mode. Range is the greatest number minus the smallest number. I'm going to show some more examples and teach you further about both of these. So our first example is for mode, and it is the following list gives the number of pets for each of 13 students. And the list is 0, 3, 2, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 3, 3. And we're going to find the mode of this data set, and if there's more than one mode, we're going to separate it with commas, and if there is no mode, we're just going to write no mode. So I find the easiest way to find mode is to list all of the numbers in order from least to greatest. You could just look at your numbers and count them one by one, but I find that's harder, so we're going to do it this way. So your first number is the lowest number, which is 0. So we have 3 zeros. And I like to put an X over the number I've already used so I don't get confused and use it again. My second number is 1, and we have 2 of these. My third number is 2. My fourth number is 3. And my fourth number is 4, or my fifth number. So looking at this, it's pretty easy to tell which one is the mode, but if not, we're going to count them out. So we have 3 zeros, 2 ones, 2 twos, 5 threes, and 1 4. So based off of this, our mode is 3 because it has the biggest out of each of them. Okay, so this is another example for mode, and the problem is the following list gives the number of siblings for each of 9 students. So once again, we have our number list: 10, 9, 2, 5, 3, 4, 8, 6, and 11, and like the first problem, we are going to put them in order. So our lowest number in this case is not 0, it's 2, and then it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and finally 11. So looking off of this, you can see that there is no repeats, which means we do not have a mode. So in this case, we would just write no mode, because none of the numbers repeat. Okay, this is our last range problem and our last of the problems. And the problem is Italian Tours offers a daily sightseeing trip around Florence. The list below gives the number of people who made the trip for the selection of 9 summer days. And the list is 46, 50, 29, 41, 37, 30, 29, 50, and 58. Just like in our first problem, we're going to start by listing the numbers from least to greatest. And our least number is 29. And then we have another 29. And then we have 30, 37, 41, 46, 2 50s, and a 58. So, once again, we are going to look at our largest number and our smallest number and subtract. So we have 58 minus 29. And we can't do 8 minus 9, so we come over to the 5, borrow 1, make this a 4, make this an 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. And we're going to check our addition, or our subtraction with addition. So we have 29 plus 29, and 9 plus 9 is 18, carry your 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. We get 58, so our range is 29. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something about mode and range.